If you didn't get a weather alert, you are alone. With the planet heating up and nature growing more deadly and destructive, new tools to help people gauge their climate risk are landing faster than DVD-sized hail in Texas. But these demands still need fine-tuning. For now, a simpler approach might be to just throw a dot at any map of the US. Wherever it lands, there's your climate risk. Nearly the entire US population, 99% of the country, has been subject to at least one National Weather Service, the extreme weather alert, since May, according to the Union of Concerned Scientists, a non-profit advocacy group, and it's only August. We are still just halfway through the danger season of May to October, as scientists described it to the Los Angeles Times. Many of these people have suffered through multiple disasters at once, an unwelcome phenomenon known as compound events. People in Houston, for example, last month had to deal with the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl, including widespread power failures in the middle of a crushing heat wave. As of this writing, more than 58 million Americans are under alert for extreme weather, including California wildfires, brutal heat in Texas and the Southwest, and flooding from Alaska to the Northeast. Not all of these were necessarily caused by climate change, but an atmosphere warmed by greenhouse gases makes such phenomena more frequent and powerful. For example, at least 60% of the heat alert people have received this season were clearly made likelier by climate change, according to the UCS, citing the research group Climate Central. Warmer air even makes it rain more by soaking up moisture like a sponge and dumping it in buckets. For every degree Celsius the atmosphere warms, it can hold 7% more water vapor. Deadly flash floods in the Northeast over the weekend, when 3 or more inches of rain fell per hour in some spots. One delivered by Hurricane Ernesto, which at that point was far out to sea. Instead, the meteorological traffic jam slowed down thunderstorms, holding warm water up from the Gulf of Mexico, according to commercial forecaster AccuWeather Incorporated. Scientists called the flood thousand-year events, meaning the chances of them happening in any given year were 1 in 1,000. Last weekend we got 2 of them in one night.